Hello, so this video I'm going to show you how I take my key out of a 2016 Subaru Outback. I've seen videos of this happening to a Crosstrek, sometimes some Foresters. This is the best way that I've noticed that helps take the key out. I've tried everything and I've noticed that this seems to work the best without starting it. I've driven around, parked, that seemed to unlock the actuator or whatever what caused it. But today I'm going to show you how to get it out without starting. So as you can tell, it's stuck. I mean it's not coming out. Whatever you do, you wiggle the steering wheel, nothing happens. But what I do is I put an auxiliary. What I do with the shifter knob is I just go, well, obviously you got to press the brake. I go down and then back up, and as you can tell, it unlocks. So if you're having issues of unlocking your or getting your key out of your ignition and you don't want to start the car or drive around, that seems to work. Also, what I've noticed is when I go to, like, let's say I go to Fred Meyer's and I park, and when I go quick into park, that seems to unlock the actuator too to pop the key out. And then sometimes I noticed if I go kind of slower, it doesn't, something's not sending signal to the system to where it's not releasing the key. So if you're having issues, like I said, I'll show you again. It's probably not gonna work, but started the car, it probably, yeah, see, it's working for me now. But again, I'm just gonna show you what I do. Obviously press the brake, just go down quickly and then back up quickly, and that will unlock the key. So if you're kind of in a tough situation, you need to get out of the car quick, just do that step and you'll be on your way.